Hi friends, once again welcome to the channel Crazy Boys. In the last video you have seen that how to turn on 3D audio in Samsung devices, and now in this video I am going to show you how to turn on 3D audio with any device by using three applications. So let's start our video. So friends, our first step is the power amp. The power amp music player. Since the power amp has been updated to version 3, it it is compatible with 3D audio such as Great Hall, Light Up, Scenes, Small Room, Stadium, and Studio, and Auditorium. This is known as reverbs. When we play a song in Power Amp, we can hear it clearly. So for this to show you, first let me connect my headphones. Now friends, I have connected my headphones, and now here you can see the reverb option. Now this reverb option is now turned off. I have turned it off. When I will turn it on and select a mode from this, and when I will play the song, I will feel the reverb mode such as this. Like this, we can feel the reverb option like echo and other options. And now our second application is pod music. This app consists of ads, so this is not our fault. See, the ad is appeared. How I have say you before that when we turn on this application, ad appears, and when operating also. Then here you have to press cancel, select our song. First I am selecting my song, and here when I select my song, you can see on the here equalize option. We have to click on it. This is and press undo, and here on the entire screen you can see now equalizer settings. This is equalizer normal settings. We can adjust it by our use. This is the type of voice we want. This is bass boost, and this is visualizer increases or decreases our equalizers effect. And here the main we can see here reverb option. This is what called the reverb option. Click on it, and here you can see none, S room, M room, L room, M all, L hot, and plate. And on here you can see equalizer turn off and on settings. Okay, now this is our second application. Now I will show you the third application, but it is third party application because in this we do not have any music player, so you can use your own normal music player and use this application. So for now I am going to use the power music player by turning off equalizer, tone, and limit. Then here I also close my reverb. So now this music player is a normal music player which consists of only equalizer, and that is also turned off now. So now I am turning the bass booster and equalizer option on. You can see here this application. This turns on. This application also consists of ads. So let's start it. Here you can see the volume control in the background. You can see here all the equalizer, like how there is in pod music. Here you can see S room, M room, L hall, that all options, and here sound mode, and here in the top right corner on and off. That's all in this application. This application also consists that here I play song. Now okay, then now I am closing this. You know how to use it now. So friends, if you like this video, like this video in the down of this video, subscribe the Crazy Boy channel, place the notification icon, share this video. If you have any doubt on this video or any other video, write it in the comment box. And next, my channel's uploading next releasing video will be of Everywhere One Time Machayenge Part 2 by Mr. Shivam Gorevle. So don't forget to press the bell notification icon. So bye friends, I will meet you in the Machayenge video.